Hello students, now we shall start section formula. We are continuing our chapter coordinate geometry, and now we shall see what is this section formula. See, suppose we are having a point here A whose coordinates are x1 comma y1, and here we are having one point B whose coordinates are x2 comma y2, and suppose one point P is there. This point P is dividing this segment AB in the ratio m:n. We want to find what are the coordinates of this point P. So we are studying now section formula. Segment AB is there, coordinates of A x1 y1, coordinates of B x2 y2. We want to find coordinates of point P which is dividing this segment AB in the ratio m:n, or you can say that AP upon PB is equal to m upon n. So simple formula, we get x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and we get y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Or we can say that the coordinates of point P are mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So simple formula hai. Again I am repeating. See, segment AB, coordinates of point A x1 y1, coordinates of point B x2 y2. We want to find coordinates of point P x comma y. This point P is dividing the segment AB in the ratio m:n. Formula is x coordinate of this point P is given by mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So you have to remember like this: mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y coordinate is given by my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Or you can say that the coordinates of the point P is given by mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now one more formula is there. It is known as midpoint formula. Midpoint formula. So suppose we are having segment AB, coordinates of A given as x1 y1, and coordinates of point B x2 y2. We want to find the coordinates of point P which is midpoint of this AB. See, this segment P is, this point P is midpoint of segment AB. Now what is our midpoint formula? Midpoint formula is given by x is equal to x1 plus y1 upon 2, and y is equal to, x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. This formula is known as midpoint formula. The coordinate of point P is given by x1 plus x2 upon 2, and y is given by y1 plus y2 upon 2. Next formula we shall see centroid formula. See, we know that centroid is a point in the triangle where the medians pass through, or it is the point of concurrence of the median. Now say, suppose this is a triangle. The vertices of triangle are A x1 y1, B x2 y2, and C x3 y3. Suppose this is the centroid G whose coordinates are x comma y, then the centroid formula is given by x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, and y is given by y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So, the x coordinate of the centroid is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, and y coordinate of the centroid is given by y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So, this formula is also very simple. ये तीन फार्मूला याद रखने का, ये तीन फार्मूला के ऊपर बेस्ड सम्स अभी हम करने वाले हैं. हाँ, नो लेट अस टेक प्रैक्टिस सेट 5.2 फर्स्ट सम. सी कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ पॉइंट ए, coordinates of point A are given as -1, 7. Coordinates of point B are given 4, -3, and the ratio m:n is given as 2:3. We want to find the coordinates of point P, which is dividing the segment AB in the ratio 2:3. Now here see, here x1 is -1, y1 is 7, x2 is 4 and y2 is -3. Therefore, by section formula, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, which is given by, what is m here? 2. What is x2? Into 4 plus, what is n here? N is 3. What is x1? x1 is -1 upon 2 plus 3. So how much we get? 8 minus 3 upon 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 upon 5, we get x is equal to 1. In the same way, what is the value of y? Y is given by my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. It is equal to 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7 upon 2 plus 3. It is equal to, see, 2 into -3 is how much? -6 plus 21 upon 5. 21 minus 6 is how much? 15. 15 upon 5 is how much? It is equal to 3. Therefore, the coordinates of point P are 1, 3 divides AB in ratio 2:3. See, this is our answer. In question number 2, take first sum. See here, P is given -3, 7. Q is given 1, -4. And our ratio is given as A:B. Our ratio A:B is given as 2:1. We want to find what are the coordinates of point A. So we shall write here A divides PQ in ratio 2:1. Therefore, here x1 is -3, y1 is 7, x2 is 1 and y2 is -4. and A is to B is already given 2 is to 1. So we can write here by section formula see x coordinate of point A is given by mx2 plus nx1. We shall write here ax2 plus bx1 upon a plus b. Instead of mn I am writing ab because here the ratio is given a is to b. Now on substitution how much we get? See, value of a is 2, x2 is how much? 1, value of b is how much? 1, x1 is how much? Minus 3 upon a plus b means 2 plus 3. It is equal to 2 minus 3 upon 5, that is minus 1 upon 5. Sorry, 2 plus 1. So 2 minus 3 upon 3, that is equal to minus 1 upon 3. In the same way, value of y is given by ay2 plus by1 upon a plus b. It is equal to, see, a is 2, y2 is how much here? Minus 4 plus b is how much? B is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 3. So a minus 1 upon 3 comma minus 1 upon 3 divides PQ in the ratio 2 is to 1. This is our answer. See question number 2, second sum. P is given minus 2 comma minus 5, Q is given 4 comma 3, A is to B is given 3 is to 4. We want to find the coordinates of the point A which divides PQ in the ratio 3 is to 4. So here we shall write down, let A whose coordinates are x comma y divide PQ in ratio 3 is to 4. See, this is our segment. Here we are having point P whose coordinates are minus 2 comma minus 5, Q 4 comma 3, and here we are having the point A whose coordinates are x comma y, and the ratio is given as 3 is to 4. See, by drawing this type of figure the sum becomes very simple. Here what you have to do, by section formula x is equal to 3 into 4 plus 4 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 4. See what I have done here, 3 into 4 plus 4 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 4. So how much we get? It is equal to 3 into 4, 12 minus 8, 3 plus 4 is 7. 12 minus 8 is how much? 12 minus 8 is 4. So we got the value of x as 4 upon 7. In the same way we shall find the value of y. We get y is equal to 3 into 3 plus 4 into minus 5 upon 3 plus 4. 3 into 3 is how much? 9 minus 20. 4 plus 3 is how much? 7. 9 minus 20 is how much? Minus 11 upon 4 upon 7 comma minus 11 upon 7 divides PQ in ratio 3 is to 4. This is our answer. हाँ, सी प्रैक्टिस सेट 5.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में थर्ड सम. Point P is given 2,6, point Q is given -4,1, A is to B is 1:2. Here, what is x1, y1? See, x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 6, x2 is -4, y2 is 1, and m is 1, n is 2. Let ax comma y divide pq in ratio 1:2. So, by section formula, what is our section formula? X is equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. What is m here? 1 into -4. What is n? 2 into 2 upon 1 plus 2. It is equal to -4 plus 4 upon 3, that is equal to 0 upon 3. So, we are getting the value of x as 0. Now, how to find the value of y? Y is equal to m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. M y2 means 1 into 1 plus n y1 means 2 into 6 upon 1 plus 2. So, it becomes equal to how much? It is equal to 12. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 into 6 is 12 upon 3. So, it is equal to how much? 13 upon 3. So, we got the value of y equal to 13 upon 3. Therefore, the coordinates of point A are 0, 13 upon 3. This is our answer. See question number 3, exercise 5.2, question number 3. Coordinates of point P -3, 10. Coordinates of Q is given 6, -8. Point T is dividing this PQ. Coordinates of point T are given -1, 6. We want to find the ratio m is to n in which T divides PQ. Now, here see, we shall apply section formula. Before applying section formula, tell me what is x1 here. See, this is point P -3, 10. This is point Q 6, -8. This is point T -1, 6. We want to find m is to n. So, here x1 is -3, y1 is 10, x is -1, y is 6, x2 is 6 and y2 is -8. Now, by section formula, we have x is equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. Now, we shall substitute here. What is the value of x here? X का value है -1. It is equal to m x2. x2 is how much? 6. So, we shall write here m into 6 plus n into x1 is how much? -3 upon m plus n. It can be written as 6m minus 3n upon m plus n is minus 1. We shall bring m plus n this side. What we get? Minus of m plus n is equal to 6m minus 3n. If you open this bracket, minus m minus n is equal to 6m minus 3n. Now change the sides. Bring 6m to left side. What we get? Minus m minus 6m is equal to minus 3n. Minus n going to right side, it becomes plus n. Or minus 7m is equal to minus 2n. Or m upon n is equal to, how much we get? Minus 2 upon minus 7, that is 2 upon 7. So our answer is m is to n is equal to 2 is to 7. This is our answer. See, again I am repeating the same sum once again. Say in this sum, coordinates of point PQ are given. Coordinates of point P minus 3 comma 10 and Q is 6 comma minus 8. Coordinate of point T is given minus 1 comma 6. Our question is to find the ratio in which T divides this PQ. Now here x1 y1 given minus 3 10, x2 y2 given 6 minus 8 and xy is given minus 1 6. से यहाँ पर दोनों जगह फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करने का जरूरत नहीं, बाय ओनली अप्लाइंग एक्स सेक्शन फॉर्मूला फॉर एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट वी आर गेटिंग द आंसर. वाई के लिए अप्लाई करेंगे तो भी सेम आंसर आएगा. बाय सेक्शन फॉर्मूला x इज इक्वल टू एम एक्स टू प्लस एन एक्स वन अपॉन एम प्लस एन और माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू, इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट किया हमने, एम एक्स टू इज हाउ मच 6 प्लस एन एक्स वन इज माइनस 3 अपॉन एम प्लस एन. इट इज माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 6m माइनस 3n अपॉन एम प्लस एन. एम प्लस 1 को लेफ्ट साइड में लाया तो माइनस इंटू एम प्लस एन, इट इज इक्वल टू 6m माइनस 3n. इफ यू ओपन दिस ब्रैकेट, माइनस m माइनस n इज इक्वल टू 6m माइनस 3n और माइनस m 6m इफ यू ब्रिंग टू लेफ्ट साइड, माइनस m माइनस 6m, माइनस n राइट साइड गए तो क्या हो जाएगा प्लस n. सो माइनस 3n प्लस 3 प्लस n is minus 2n, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 and minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. Bring n to left side, what we get? M upon n, it is equal to minus 2 upon minus 7, minus minus cancel, 2 upon 7. So the ratio we are getting is m is to n is 2 is to 7. Exercise 5.2, take fourth sum. See, question is, P is the center of the circle, AB is the diameter, find the coordinates of point B. B का coordinate नहीं दिया है. Coordinates of A given as 2 comma minus 3 and coordinates of P is given as minus 2 comma 0. Now here first step we shall write down P is center of circle, therefore P is center of diameter AB. Therefore by midpoint formula, what is midpoint formula? By midpoint formula, this minus 2 is equal to 2 plus x upon 2. See, midpoint formula is x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. So 2 plus x upon minus 2. Bring this 2 to left side, what we get? Minus 2 into 2 is equal to 2 plus x or minus 4 is equal to 2 plus x or -4 -2 is equal to x. Therefore we are getting x is equal to -6. Again we shall apply the midpoint formula for y coordinate. 0 is equal to -3 plus y upon 2. Bring 2 to left side, we get 0 is equal to -3 plus y, or we get y is equal to 3. Therefore the coordinates of B are -6, 3. This is our answer. See practice set 5.2, fifth sum you take. See our question is find the ratio in which point p, k, 7. See coordinate of p, k, 7 divides segment AB. Coordinate of A is given 8, 9. Coordinate of B is given 1, 2. Our question is to find the value of k and this ratio m is to n. So 3 things you have to find here. First we shall find m, n, and then we shall find p. Now here see, by section formula now see value of y coordinate is given, value of y is given here. So we shall apply section formula for y coordinate. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now substitute. What is the value of y? Y का value है 7. So 7 is equal to my2 means m into 2 plus n into 9 upon m plus n. It is equal to 2m plus 9n upon m plus n. Bring this m plus n to left side. What we get? 7 in bracket m plus n is equal to 2m plus 9n, or 7m plus 7n is equal to 2m plus 9n. Bring m to left side. 7m minus 2m is equal to 9n minus 7n. 7 minus 2 is how much? 5m is equal to 2n, or m upon n is equal to, we get 2 upon 5. We got our first answer. Therefore our first answer we got P divides AB in ratio 2:5. ये आ गया हमको पहला आंसर. सेकंड हमको k का वैल्यू फाइंड करने का है. अगेन बाय सेक्शन फॉर्मूला for x coordinate, what is the formula? X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So what is x coordinate? K. K is equal to 2 into 1 plus 5 into 8 upon 2 plus 5, that is equal to 2 plus 8 5s are 40 upon 7, that is equal to how much we get? 42 upon 7, or we get k is equal to 6. So we got the ratio 2:5 and the value of k as 6. Take exercise practice set 5.2 question number 6. Take practice set 5.2 question number 6. Find the coordinates of midpoint of the segment joining the points 22, 20 and 0, 16. See, this is our point A, 22, 20, and this is point B, 0, 16. We want to find its midpoint. Our question is find the midpoint of this segment. Let the midpoint be P x, y. So, let P x, y be the midpoint of A 22, 20 and B 0, 16 be the midpoint of AB, where A is 22, 20 and B is 0, 16. Now see here, what is x1? x1 is 22, y1 is 20. What is x? What is x2? x2 is 0 and y2 is 16. So we shall apply here midpoint formula. By midpoint formula, we shall apply here midpoint formula. By midpoint formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So it is equal to 22 plus 0 upon 2, that is 22 upon 2, which is equal to 11, and we get y is equal to 20 plus 16 upon 2, which is equal to 36 upon 2, which is equal to 18. Therefore, P 11, 18 is the midpoint. We shall assume let A, पहला ट्रायंगल क्या है हमारा, फर्स्ट वर्टेक्स इज A -7, 6. Next is B 2, -2. And C 8, 5. Be the vertices of the triangle. Therefore, x1 is equal to -7, y1 is equal to 6, x2 is equal to 2 and y2 is equal to -2, x3 is equal to 8, y3 is equal to 5. Let G x, y be the centroid. Therefore, by centroid formula, what is centroid formula? X is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, that is minus 7 plus 2 plus 8 upon 3. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 minus 7, 10 minus 7 is 3, 3 upon 3, which is equal to how much? 1. So we got the value of x as 1. Now how to find the value of y? Y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3, that is equal to 6 minus 2 plus 5. 6 minus 2 plus 5 upon 3. 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 minus 2 is 9, 9 upon 3. 9 upon 3 is how much? We get y equal to 3. Therefore, the coordinates of centroid are 1, 3. This is our answer. See question number 8, problem set 5.2. Coordinate of A is given minus 14, minus 19, B is given 3, 5. Coordinates of C missing, that you have to find, and coordinates of the centroid G minus 4, minus 7 is given. Now here, see x1 is equal to minus 14, y1 is equal to minus 19, x2 is equal to 3 and y2 is equal to 5, x3 and y3 ये हमको फाइंड करना है, एंड कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ G x, y is given how much? minus 4, minus 7. Now we shall apply here by centroid formula. By centroid formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. That is equal to x is how much? minus 4. So we get minus 4 is equal to minus 14 plus 3 plus x3 upon 3. 3 coming to left side, how much we get? minus 4 into 3. It is equal to minus 14 plus 3 is how much? minus 11 plus x3, or minus 12 is equal to minus 11 plus x3. So minus 11 coming here, what we get? It becomes plus 11. 11 minus 12 is equal to x3, or we get x3 is equal to minus 1. In the same way, by centroid formula we get y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. What is the value of y? Y is given how much? minus 7 is equal to minus 19 plus 5 plus y3 upon 3. 3 coming here, what happens? It becomes minus 7 into 3. It is equal to minus 19 plus 5 is minus 14 plus y3. Minus 7 into 3 is minus 21. Minus 14 coming here, it becomes plus 14 is equal to y3, or we get y3 is equal to minus 7 therefore the coordinates of C the coordinates of C are -1, -7. See, simple sum. We have applied centroid formula here. We are getting x3, y3, x3 equal to -1 and y3 equal to -7. See exercise 5.2, question number 9. Here see in triangle ABC, coordinates of A is h, -6, B is 2, 3, C is -6, k, and centroid's coordinates are given 1, 5. Our question is to find h and k. Now here we shall write down by centroid formula x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. What is the value of x here? X value है 1. 1 is equal to h plus 2 minus 6 upon 3. See, x1 is h2, x2 is 2 and x3 is -6. So h plus 2 minus 6 upon 3, it is equal to 1. 3 को लेफ्ट में लाए तो क्या हो जाएगा? It will become 3 is equal to h. 2 minus 6 is -4, or we get h is equal to 3 plus 4, or we get h is equal to 7. In the same way, what is the value of y? Y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. See, y is given here how much? 5. y1 is -6 plus 3 plus k upon 3. Bring 3 to left side. It will become 15 is equal to -6 plus 3, means -3 plus k, or we get k is equal to 15 plus 3, or we get k is equal to 18. In this way we get the value of k. H is 7 and k is 18. See, practice set 5.2, question number 10. Find the coordinates of points of trisection of the line segment AB. Coordinates of A is given 2, 7. Coordinates of B is given -4, -8. We want to find the points of trisection. Trisection may divide into 3 equal parts. See, let P and Q be the points of trisection of this segment AB. Let P, x1, y1 and Q, x2, y2 be the points of trisection of segment AB. Therefore, what we get? We get AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Therefore, AP upon PB is equal to AP upon, see, PB can be written as PQ plus QB. It can be written as AP upon AP plus AP. Because see, PQ is also equal to AP and QB is also equal to AP. It is equal to AP upon 2AP. AP cancelled. Therefore, we get AP upon PB is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, P divides AB. therefore P divides AB in ratio 1:2. Therefore bisection formula, see x1 will be equal to, now see here what is the ratio we are getting? 1:2. So x1 will be equal to 1 into -4 plus 2 into 2 upon 1 plus 2. It is equal to -4 plus 4 upon 3, which is equal to 0 upon 3. Therefore we get x1 is equal to 0. Now how to find y1? y1 is equal to 1 into -8 plus 2 into 7 upon 1 plus 2, which is equal to -8 plus 14 upon 3. 14 minus 8 is how much? 6 upon 3. Therefore y1 is equal to 2. We got x1 equal to 0, y1 equal to 2. Therefore coordinates of P are 0, 2. We got the coordinates of P. Now we want to find the coordinates of Q. Here we shall write down AQ upon QB is equal to AQ upon QB is equal to AP plus PQ AP plus AQ is equal to AP plus PQ upon AP plus PQ upon QB, which is equal to, see AP plus PQ means we can write it as AP plus AP upon AP, which is equal to 2AP upon AP, that is equal to 2 upon 1. AQ upon QB we got 2 upon 1. So this Q is dividing this AB in the ratio how much? 2:1. Therefore Q divides AB in ratio 2:1. By section formula, we get x2 is equal to 2 into -4 plus 1 into 2 upon 2 plus 1, which is equal to -8 plus 2 upon 3, which is equal to -8 plus 2 is -6 upon 3. Therefore we get x2 is equal to -2. How to find y2? y2 is equal to 2 into -8 plus 1 into 7 upon 2 plus 1. How we are getting it? See 2 into -8 plus 1 into 7 upon 2 plus 1. See I am writing the ratio here. It is equal to -16 plus 7 upon 3. 7 minus 16 is how much? 7 minus 16 is minus 9 upon 3. Therefore, we get y2 is equal to minus 3. Therefore, what are the coordinates of q? Coordinates of q we are getting minus 2 comma minus 3. So last step you have to write down here. Therefore, p 0 comma 2 and q minus 2 comma minus 3 are the points of trisection. See, this is our answer. हाँ 5.2 question number 11. See, our question is A minus 14 minus 10 and B 6 comma minus 2 are given. Our question is to find the coordinates of the points which divide the segment AB into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let P, Q, R, whose coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, divide the segment AB into 4 equal parts. So we shall write here, let P x1, y1, Q x2, y2, R x3, y3. Divide segment AB into 4 equal parts. Therefore, AP is equal to PQ is equal to QR is equal to RB. Therefore, AQ upon QB, how much we get? AQ upon QB is equal to AQ can be written as AP plus PQ. AP plus PQ, and QB can be written as QR plus RB, which is equal to AP plus AP upon AP plus AP. How we are getting? See, because this PQ is also equal to AP, QR is also equal to AP, RB is also equal to AP. So we can write here 2AP upon 2AP, which is equal to 1 upon 1. Therefore, Q is midpoint of AB. Similarly, P is midpoint of AQ and R is midpoint of QB. Of AB, P is midpoint of AQ, R is midpoint of QB. Now we have to find the coordinates. First, Q. Q is midpoint of AB. Therefore, by midpoint formula, x2 is equal to minus 14 plus 6 upon 2. Minus 14 plus 6 means minus 8 upon 2, which is equal to minus 4, and y2 is equal to minus 10 minus 2 upon 2. Minus 10 minus 2 upon 2, which is equal to minus 12 upon 2, which is minus 6. Therefore, what are the coordinates of Q? Coordinates of Q are minus 4 comma minus 6. We got the coordinates of Q. Now we shall find P. So we shall write here first, P is midpoint of AQ. Therefore, by midpoint formula, x1 is equal to minus 14. See, what are the coordinates of Q we have got? minus 4. Q का कोऑर्डिनेट आया था हमको minus 4 minus 6. So minus 14 minus 4 upon 2, that is equal to minus 18 upon 2. Minus 18 upon 2 is how much? Minus 9. We got x1. y1 is equal to how much we get? Minus 10 minus 6 upon 2, that is minus 16 upon 2 or minus 8. Therefore, we are getting coordinates of Q as minus 9 comma minus 8. Q का कोऑर्डिनेट आ गया minus 9 comma minus 8. Next, see, R is midpoint of QB. See, R is midpoint of QB. Therefore, by midpoint formula, x3 is equal to minus 4 plus 6 upon 2. 6 minus 4 कितना होता है? 2 upon 2, that is equal to 1, and y3 is equal to minus 6 minus 2 upon 2 minus 8 upon 2 minus 4. Therefore, coordinates of R we got how much? 1 comma minus 4. See, Q का कोऑर्डिनेट कितना आया? minus 4 minus 6. Therefore, see, what was our question here? Find the coordinates of the points which divide AB into 4 equal parts. Therefore, we shall write here P minus 9 comma minus 8, then Q minus 4 comma minus 6, and R 1 comma minus 4 divide AB into 4 equal parts. See, again I am explaining this sum, important sum hai. See, coordinates of A is given, B is given. We want to find the coordinates of the points which divide this AB into 4 equal parts. So let P, Q, R be the 3 points which divide AB into 4 equal parts. Let the coordinate of P be x1, y1, Q be x2, y2, and R be x3, y3. Now say here Q, first you have to show that Q is midpoint of AB, and then by applying midpoint formula we get the coordinates of Q. Similarly, we can prove P is midpoint of AQ, apply midpoint formula, we get the value of P. R is midpoint of QB, apply again midpoint formula, we get the coordinates of R. So, PQR, divide this AB into 4 equal parts. So, simple sum hai, practice it properly. See, practice set 5.2, question number 12. See, coordinates of A given 20, 10 and B 0, 20. Our question is to find the points which divide this segment AB into 5 equal parts. Let P x1, y1, Q x2, y2, R x3, y3 and S x4, y4 divide this segment AB into 5 equal parts. So, we shall write here, let P x1 y1 q x2 y2 r x3 y3 and s x4 y4 divide AB into 1 2 3 4 5 into 5 equal parts. So PQRS divide AB into 5 equal parts. Therefore, what we get here? We get AP is equal to PQ is equal to QR is equal to RS is equal to SB. Therefore, tell me what is AP upon PB? AP upon PB will be equal to AP upon, see PB can be written as PQ plus QR plus RS plus SB, which is equal to AP upon AP plus AP plus AP plus AP, which is equal to AP upon 4AP, which is equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore, P divides AB in ratio 1:4. हाँ, bisection formula. Bisection formula. What is x1 equal to? X1 is equal to, now see the ratio we are getting is 1:4. So 1 into 0 plus 4 into 20 upon 1 plus 4, which is equal to 0 plus 80 upon 5. 0 plus 80 upon 5 is how much? 16. We got 16. X1 equal to 16. What is y1 we get? Y1 is equal to 1 into 20 plus, see 1 into 20 plus 4 into 10 upon 1 plus 4. So how much we get? 20 plus 40 upon 5. 20 plus 40 is how much? 60 upon 5. 60 upon 5 is how much? 12. Therefore, we got the coordinates of P as 16, 12. We got the coordinates of P as 16, 12. अभी similarly what we get? Similarly, we get C A P Q. P is midpoint of AQ. P is midpoint of AQ. Similarly, we get P is midpoint of AQ. So, bisection formula, bisection formula, what we get? See, this is A, this is P, and this is Q. P is midpoint of AQ we got. Of A is 20, 10. Coordinates of P we got 16, 12. Coordinates of Q is x2, y2. So what do we get here? We get 16 is equal to 20 plus x2 upon 2. Therefore 16 into 2, 32 is equal to 20 plus x2, or we get x2 is equal to 32 minus 20. 32 minus 20 is how much? Minus 20 is how much? x2 is equal to 12. Again for y coordinate we get 12 is equal to 10 plus y2 upon 2. Bringing 12 here, what we get? 24 is equal to 10 plus y2, or we get y2 is equal to 24 minus 10, or we get y2 is equal to 14. We got coordinate of Q. Q is midpoint of PR. So see, here we are having P, here we are having R. This is point Q. Q is x2, y2. What is R? x3, y3. What is P? x1, y1. x1, y1 already we got 16, 12. x2, y2 we got 12, 14. x3, y3 now we can find. So we get 12 is equal to 16 plus x3 upon 2. 12 into 2 is how much? 24 is equal to 16 plus x3, or we get x3 is equal to 24 minus 16, or we get x3 is equal to 8. Here y coordinate if you take, we get 14 is equal to 12 plus y3 upon 2, or 28 is equal to 12 plus y3, or we get y3 is equal to 28 minus 12. 28 minus 12 is how much? We get y3 is equal to 16. Similarly, S is midpoint of RB. Similarly, we get S is midpoint of RB. See S, this is S, this is R, and this is B. What are the coordinates of R we got? See, coordinates of R कितना आया था हमको? x3 y3 आया था 8, 16. Coordinate of S is how much? yes हमको फाइंड करने का है, yes हमको फाइंड करने का है x4 y4 एंड b का कोऑर्डिनेट कितना दिया है? कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ b इज गिवन 0, 20. See, S is midpoint of RB. Coordinate of R is 8, 16. Coordinate of S is x4, y4, and coordinate of B is 0, 20. Again, by midpoint formula, what we get? We get x4 is equal to 8 plus 0 upon 2. That is equal to how much? 4. And we get y4 is equal to how much? 16 plus 20 upon 2, means 36 upon 2. 36 upon 2 is how much? 18. So x4 is equal to 4 and y4 is equal to 18. So we got the 4 points. P, Q, R, S 16, 12, 12, 14, 8, 16, 4, 18. These are the coordinates of the points which divide AB into 5 equal parts. See, once again I am explaining. See, AB is given, A is 20, 10, B is given 0, 20. Our question is to find the points which divide this AB into 5 equal parts. We have taken the points as P, Q, R, S. P x1, y1, Q x2, y2, R x3, y3 and S x4, y4. These are the 4 points we have taken. Say first, this divide into equal part. So we are getting AP equal to PQ equal to QR equal to RS equal to SB. First we shall take AP upon PB. AP upon PB is how much? AP upon PB can be written as PQ plus QR plus RS plus SB. Each one is equal to AP. So AP upon AP plus AP plus AP plus AP. So AP upon 4 AP, 1 upon 4. So this P is dividing AB in ratio 1:4. Apply section formula. We are getting the coordinate of P as 16, 12. P का coordinate आ गया 16, 12. See here. Coordinate of P we are getting 16, 12. Now see A is 20, 10. Q हमको find करने का है. P is midpoint of AQ. So apply midpoint formula. You are getting the coordinate of Q x2 equal to 12 and y2 equal to 14. In the same way, see Q is midpoint of PR. यहाँ पर देखो Q is midpoint of PR. P is how much? 16, 12. Q is 12, 14. यहाँ पर find किया है. R हमको find करने का है. Apply midpoint formula. We are getting the coordinates of x3, y3 as 8, 16. In the same way, see S is midpoint of RB. We have done here in this page. S is midpoint of RB. So R is 8, 16. S is x4, y4 and B is already given in the question itself 0, 20. Again apply midpoint formula. You will get x4, y4 as 4, 18. Therefore P is 16, 12. Q 12, 14. R 8, 16. S 4, 18 are the points which divide AB into 5 equal parts. Simple है.